How to delete all promotions in Gmail. Let's get started. Is your Gmail promotions tab overflowing with emails you don't need? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily delete all promotions in Gmail to declutter your inbox and stay organized. Launch your Gmail. Now, at the top left, you're gonna find three bars. Click on that. The Fun option will appear. Navigate to the option Promotions. Now here you're gonna find all of your promotion mails. Now how to delete all of it. Press and hold on any of the mail, then click on Select All. Now keep on scrolling down and check in for the option Select All. Just scroll down and again check in for the option of Select All. Apply the same process until all the promotion mail are selected, and after you select all of it, click on the delete icon given at the top right. With that, the selected promotion mails will be deleted. So this is how you can delete all promotions in Gmail. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.